Hi Ray, there is an issue with the MapPress map not coming up on redirection. So I've just cleared my browser cache and I'll type in a protected page so that we get the redirection message. And now it's gone to the demo page, but the demo map is not visible. I haven't tried it. If I refresh the page, it's still not visible. If I clear my cache and then reload the page, still not there. Should be. Why is that? I'm not exactly sure. I don't know if it's a caching issue at my end, the browser not clearing, but if I clear the browser cache and then type that in, that should work again. So I'm not exactly sure why. Anyway, throw it over to you. Let me know what you think. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.